Would you like a tour of what is going to be on the Sodick stand during MAC? Yes, well, I've got a lot to tell you in a very short space of time. So here they're going to be promoting their iGroove technology. This is where the wire rotates in cut. Now, this is patented to Sodick. No one else does this. Therefore, they're creating greater surface finish and accuracy. But, of course, you've got to be there to see the results. There's even a sign showcasing their iGroove software. Now, next up is the BL400. Now, this is more of a cost-effective solution. They are going to be taking the 600, so a larger machine, to the show. Follow me. Now, I bet you didn't know that Sodick produce high-speed machining machines. We've got one here that's going to be at the stand. We're talking about 40k RPM spindle speed, nice 3-axis machine there as well. There's going to be so much, right? In fact, it's their biggest stand they've ever had at MAC. This is another machine as well, all with the linear motor drives, the same as the EDMs over there. Now, this is your EDM die sinker, but guess what? It has automation attached to it as well. So you've got the automation system here, and then guess what? They've partnered up, shall we say, with a partnership with Zeiss. And here, something quite interesting, because this is where it's going to interrogate essentially the electrode, and then it will deliver the electrode offsets before it then gets implemented into the machine. So it's a big cell all integrated together. That's all going to be on the stand. Follow me as well. We've got injection molding machines as well. So they'll have, I believe it may not be this one. I think it's this one that they're going to have at the stand. And they've also got, let me get this right, an EDM fast hole drilling machine on the stand as well.